take it.
Can you use half that space for...
The road trip begins. This is my 2004 Tundra truck camper setup, and so this is like utensils, silverware, anything you need to cook. This is the pantry side, but right now we're not cooking that much because my parents are actually camping at the same site and they have a travel trailer and stuff. In the back we have my Coleman stove, as well as behind that we have propane. I did make them where they're just sliding. You know, my wife can open them fine. I did wax the bottom of them so they come out pretty easily, but by not putting drawer sliders in, first of all, it saved time. Second of all, it gives you more space in the drawers. Something I learned is you really need ventilation, good ventilation when you're sleeping in the back of a truck, where it gets really stuffy and it's not good for you. So I got 3 fans. The batteries are charging right now. They're all Ryobi. They use the same batteries and they work awesome. And then for extra lights, I got these puck lights that are super bright. I put a new piece of reflectors on this window right here, but normally I'll have Velcro right here, right here, and right here. That way I can stick the lights on here at night and I can cook and do whatever I need to do, brush our teeth or do anything with lights sort of outside. This is the site. We're in Watkins Glen, New York. I honestly don't know what all we have planned here. I've never been here. The weather was the main thing I was concerned about, but this week is looking really good. Last night, the lowest it got down to was like 68 at 6 a.m. So throughout the night, it was around 69 degrees and very, very humid. And so with all those fans running, it kept it around, you know, 70, probably 73 degrees, maybe 74 inside. Throughout the night, it probably got down to around 72, 71 in the middle of the night. It wasn't super comfortable, but we slept fine. Tomorrow night, it's gonna be awesome. Actually tonight is gonna be awesome. It's gonna be, you know, high 70s today, and then at night it's gonna start dropping down to like high 50s. So that should be a really good night to sleep. The next night is also gonna be good, and then towards the end of the week it's gonna get pretty warm again. So that is going to be something to look forward to. I look like I'm in the army. can see how much different I would look than my first videos. Which is crazy. Yeah, yo, what's up everybody? I got my hair shaved off. I feel like a new man. So this is day 2 in Watkins Glen. Today is a beautiful, crisp day in the middle of July. It's amazing. This is my spot for the day, well, for the week. Me and my wife are here with my parents and my sister, which they were able to bring their travel trailer, and they're able to be parked right over there. So it's kind of glamping. I mean, we also have a restroom over there, so it's not like remote camping by any means, but it's still a great time. We just drove around. I honestly don't even remember where it was. And here's my wife coming very quickly and angrily at me.
I did not recommend.
Why?
You're bald.
I'm bald. Do you still love me? What did we do yesterday? I don't remember. I couldn't film because I couldn't find my wallet and I left my GoPro in the truck.
News.
Huh?
Bad news. You can't swim in the waterfalls.
What?
You're not allowed to.
No. Then let's go to a different waterfall.
Not today.
Then what's the point?
To see them, to walk, to explore.
To get steps in?
Yes. Expect mayonnaise on your bagel party. Anyways,
So my bucket list for New York is swimming under a waterfall, getting New York pizza. What's my other bucket list? Last night the weather was absolutely perfect, and this is just to show you how comfortable the sleep camper is. The truck camper. As I slept 7 hours and 59 minutes yesterday, or last night, with a sleep score of 91. I don't even get that good of a sleep score in my own bed at home. I also recently put a pool noodle, shoved it up in between here. I can keep the windows closed and open that back window in the rain because this pool noodle I got right here. What else? You don't need a full battery system. You don't need a refrigerator to go truck camping. Even for weeks, you don't need that. You can get a good cooler. I got a $300 Yeti versus like $1,500 refrigerator setup. So start with just stuff you need, and then go keep adding stuff that you need. And then if you have some extra money and you want to do stuff you want, then do that. But don't start with the stuff that's like bougie and extra. Unless you want to, you can do what you want. But ventilation is a huge thing you need to think about. I got it pretty dialed in with those fans.
look at it. That's amazing.
This is Anna, you go camping here. Like set up some like beds right there. The whole time I'm like, I could swim there, I could swim there, I could jump in there.
Just wait. You're not swimming.
Probably not allowed.
And now he does like 3 miles at the fastest pace.
It's the plan! Okay. What's the plan?
No. Just try to break.
The only way you can use trees is by harming them. I love refreshing iced coffee. The weather here is perfect.
This is a pretty color.
It's so cute.
Look at that little.
I want to go sit over there real quick. This, probably. This is so nice right here. Oh my gosh. Anna, this rocks. It rocks. It's a windy day today. Holy moly. Lake Seneca. It's normally crystal clear water, but it's all muddy. So I'm just put a little bit of yeast in there, put a ton of bread flour, and I just keep putting more and more water, a little bit at a time, until I get it to the consistency that I want. It's pretty close. I'm gonna...
Oh, this is French food.
Money line on the east side of the wall.
When we get to Geneva. So
It's adding wood flavor.
like what order we